What's up, traders? Welcome to today's Equity Empire Chart Analysis session. When most investors are throwing darts, we're looking for clues in the charts. My name is John McHugh. I'm a former Wall Street analyst, hedge fund manager, and independent trader for the better part of 20 years. Today, I'm going to be taking a look at Ciena Corporation, symbol CIEN. Ciena makes technology that goes into the cables that connect the various pieces of equipment in AI data centers. And because that technology is so vital to moving that data quickly and efficiently from NVIDIA chips to the various pieces of equipment in the data centers, Ciena is actually an instrumental part of the build out of the AI infrastructure. So if that's the case, and you think you might want to participate in the future upside in Ciena, let's go take a look at the chart and see if there's clues where the big money stacked up trying to buy Ciena. So step one, let's assess the trend. The trend on Ciena, if we connect the highs over the last several months, and then we connect the lows over the last several months, we'll notice that we were in a downward trending channel, and we just recently broke out of that downward trending channel. So we were in a downtrend. We are at a minimum now starting to go sideways. We broke out of the downtrend, potentially heading up to start of a new uptrend. But before we do call this a new uptrend, we're going to have to break above some resistance in the 68 to 70 price range. So if we can continue going higher and break out above that resistance level, then we'll be at the start of an uptrend with the potential to retracing back to all-time highs. Let's go take a look if there's clues as to where the big money is stacked up trying to buy. So are there trading opportunities based on clues in the charts? Let's change the time frame here. I was on the daily time frame to assess the trend. We can go down one time frame for more granularity in the chart to see if there's clues to where there might be support levels. And yes, there's a little support level for a quick trade right in the 62.77 price range. There's another support level in the 60 to 59 price range. And then there's another support level right at the start of this big pop in the stock earlier this month in the 54.56 to 52.97 price range. If we go back even farther, there's a very strong support level in the 49 to 50 price range where we bounced off that resoundingly. And if you notice here, if you're new to technical analysis, this candle right here, that looks like a hammer. So there's the handle, there's the hammer head. A hammer candle is often signifies a bottom. So that is a clue that we may have bottomed in that support level there. And then if we have bottomed, a pullback into one of these support levels could be a trading opportunity. So could we do something like this? Could we pull back to this support level, bounce off that, and then go retest that before heading higher? Something like that could be a possibility. So if you're looking for a support level to potentially trade, you could consider any one of these three support levels to place a buy limit order. Have your protective stop just below the range. So in case the market rolls over again, or in case the sellers show back up in Ciena, you only take a little bit of risk for a whole lot of reward potential. So let's wrap up today's session. What have we covered? We have noticed that Ciena has broken out of a downtrend channel. It is at a minimum going sideways and may start heading higher. We've identified three potential support levels for potential entries for short-term trades or even entry points for longer-term holds, and then a very strong support level in the 49 to 50 price range. We have also identified a resistance level that may be a ceiling, at least temporarily, but if we can break above that ceiling, Ciena could potentially be headed to maybe even potentially challenge all-time highs in the 100 price range. So let's wrap it up. That is today's session for Ciena. I will be covering technical analysis of different charts every day going forward. If you're new to trading, hopefully you'll learn something new. If you have been trading in the past, maybe you learned or noticed a support level that you hadn't considered before. In the meantime, I wish you the best of your trading and investing, and we'll see you soon.